Hi, welcome to Paper Pod. This is Dog to Podcast style conversation audiobook plus real time question and answer support. So, everyday professionals waste hours reading reports, research paper, and the compliances docs. They never finish. What if you could just listen to them like a podcast style conversation and ask real time questions? This is the product that is PaperPod. So you simply upload any sort of a document, PDF, Word, or a plain text. Our AI will read it, writes a two-host podcast script, and synthesize the natural sounding audio. No manual work. It's a fully automated. Let me show you. We upload a Stanford CS229 lecture note. This is a one snippet of the notes, not the entire note. And the podcast will simply it will read, our AI will read and convert it into a podcast style conversation. It will take generally 1 minute and you will have a complete podcast style episode. Two distinct voices, conversational tone, covering every key point from our document. So once this audio is generated, you can simply play it with 1 minute.
Welcome to Tech Talk, the podcast where we dive into the world of artificial intelligence and machine learning.
A type of machine learning where we have a labeled data set, meaning we have inputs, these labeled examples.
So this will contain a male host asking questions and a female expert explaining each and every solution, which has been provided in the PDF doc that I have uploaded, making a dense content naturally engaging to listen to. You can read the transcript as well and skip around, listen to at your own pace that a particular section that you want to listen. So next is you can ask any sort of a real-time question. Let's say like, what is this podcast about? So while listening, you can ask any questions about the document by voice or a text. So this is a text support. Similarly, you can ask in a voice support. So the AI retrieves the relevant context, generate an answers and speak it back to you in under a few seconds. It's like having the author of the document sitting next to you. You can play the audio answer. In fact, you can give the audio questions, any sort of a real-time question that you have regarding the podcast that you were listening. Let's say this podcast is about supervised learning. What is supervised learning? So it will immediately take my audio and it will convert the from the podcast or from the PDF that we have been uploaded. It will retrieve. So the use cases are massive for this particular segment, like legal teams reviewing the contracts on the go, medical professionals consuming research papers during the commutes, financial books into the study podcast with built-in tutoring, enterprises L&D teams console audiobook. You can travel, you can go anywhere, you can simply listen to this podcast. Government compliances, media publishing, anyone who is unable to read any sort of a textbook, any PDF, any document, then it is very helpful for them to go through this audio, ask any sort of the questions, and you can play the audio